Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing of Boxy Charm. I have never tried out their products before. I've never really was into it. I mean, not until recently, probably within the last year or so. But I tried ordering it maybe 6 months ago and they didn't ship to Hawaii whatsoever. I'm not sure why when Hawaii is a state. I don't understand why companies do that. Like they say they ship to all 50 states but then leave out Hawaii and Alaska, or you know, Hawaii, and it's just like I don't understand why. But they finally got on the bandwagon and I am super excited about it. So it's gonna be like an unboxing and then just reviewing the products and kind of looking over it. I'm not gonna be trying on any of it right now because I already got my makeup done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Thank you for returning if you guys aren't new. And yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say, but if you guys want to see what my Boxy Charm consists of, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so this is what the box looks like. I am super excited. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my handy dandy scissors. These are eyebrow scissors, by the way. By the way, this box is for the month of April. I have not received my May one yet. It does take a while. This one is from April and I just got it last week, guys. Like, no joke. They shipped it out a while ago, but then they were saying that they were having some type of delays and whatnot because it is kind of their first time shipping out to Hawaii. So I'm not sure how recent they just started shipping over to Hawaii, but yeah, so I only got it just recently and I did order it in the beginning of April. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open this. I honestly thought it was gonna be a bigger box. This is like super small. They did say 4 to 5 full-size products, I believe, of really good makeup brand, and I see and hear nothing but good things about this, so I am super excited about it. When you first open it, ooh, this is my first time, so I'm super excited. Okay, so it has this little thing. I guess this is what's going to tell me what everything is for, I'm assuming. This would be a really good review for everyone that watches me from Hawaii. So if you do want to start ordering it, then this would be good for you. So let's see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 products in here. Oh, this is so cool. It kind of gives you like little discount codes and whatnot and explains Boxy Charm. This is all what's inside the box for the month of April. I know I'm a little late, but so let's see. The Tarte, there's the Tarte High Performance Naturals Pro Glow, the Tarte's Pro Glow. It's a liquid highlighter. And let's see what it looks like because I've never tried a Tarte liquid highlighter or the Pro Glow highlighter. That's what it looks like. Super excited. It's in the shade Stunner. It says Stunner on the back of it. So what this says is glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water. Ooh. It slips softly onto skin and keeps moisture in with tapered, squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. So the MSRP for this is $29. So, I mean, it's a full-size bottle worth $29 and you're getting it in your bag. Hell yeah, and it's Tarte. Tarte is such a good company. Alright, so the next thing that is on top here is the My Little Pony palette. Oh my god, guys, I'm so glad I didn't buy this. I was so close to buying this from ColourPop Cosmetics. So, and you know me and my ColourPop. I love me some ColourPop. I'm actually wearing the Shayla by ColourPop collection again on my eyes and the highlight. Can you guys tell? I showered in that bitch today. Oh, so cute. So it shows all of the names of the eyeshadows on the back and on the actual palette itself. This is the My Little Pony palette from ColourPop, and this is what it looks like. It is so cute. My daughter loves ponies, so watch when she sees this. Anyways, so the purple one is broken, guys, but I mean, I'm gonna have to go and clean it. palette looks like besides this little broken one. It has beautiful shades in there, and I wish that purple one would have never broke, but hey, it's still ColourPop and they're really good, and for it to be inside this box, it's awesome. It just says explore the palette inspired by their colorful personalities and magical cutie marks, from shimmering glitters and wearable mattes to bright pops of color and surprising iridescence. You can imagine the looks you'll create with this little palette. Friendship is magic when you are friends with this sparkly crew. MSRP for that one is $16. So it's a good deal. Okay, the next thing that is in there is the Pores No More vacuum cleaner. It says it's a pore purifying mask, and this is from Dr. Brandt. I guess that's how you say it. So this just says, this award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. Wow, and the MSRP for this is $47, so that's a good deal. I wonder what you do with it. It says, after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. I'm excited for this. I'm really not a facial person whatsoever, but I mean, any type of like pore refining or anything like that, I'm good. I like that. All right, so the next thing on there is this Brow Gal from Tanya Crooks. I have never heard of this before. I've never seen it, anything like that. So I'm excited that there's a new product in here, or like a new makeup brand that I've never tried out before. This just says tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural feel to their brows. So this is going to be awesome because I, on a daily basis, don't like to fill in my eyebrows. So sometimes I go over with a brow gel. So I'm excited for this new brow gel for me to use. So the MSRP for this is $22. So, hey. And last but not least is the high definition liquid lipstick from Adesi. I've never heard of this brand either, and I've never tried it out, so this is going to be exciting. It says this is a high definition liquid lipstick. Luxurious, creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick provides a dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with ease of wand applicator. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting, brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free. MSRP for this is $24. So let's open this bad boy up. Excited, trying out new makeup products. I always stick to the same old products, that's why, you know. So this Boxy Charm is gonna be good for me to test out new products. A nude shade. This one is in no color. Super creamy. Can you guys see this? It doesn't say whether it's a lip gloss or a matte lipstick. So that's the shade. It's super pretty. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Leave some comments down below and let me know if you guys would love to keep seeing more BoxyCharm unboxing, or if you guys would like me to actually like unbox it and try on the products. Then I would love to do that as well. Just leave some comments, let me know. As far as the BoxyCharm goes, I love it. I love everything that came in it for the month of April. I can't wait to get my hands on the month of May. Hopefully soon. I mean, that's just the downfall of living all the way here in Hawaii. We get everything late. I'm gonna continue the monthly subscription. I mean, you can't beat it for the price of it, and to get full size, 4 to 5 full size products. I'm loving it. Like, thank you guys so much for the love and the support that you guys been showing me here, Instagram, Snapchat, everything like that. I definitely appreciate it. I don't think I have anything else to say to you guys, but thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.